Speaking over the All India Radio, the Governor of Tamil Nadu said, "Friends, I am broadcasting this evening mainly for the purpose of offering my cordial greetings and good wishes to the people of Tamil Nadu and seeking their cooperation. In the past, I have had the opportunity of visiting some parts of Tamil Nadu, and I have always been impressed by their intelligence and hospitality. I have now been given the privilege of serving the people of Tamil Nadu, and I trust that in the discharge of my duties, I will have your cooperation. The first and foremost task before us is to ensure that the economic program announced by the Prime Minister is implemented effectively. As we all know, this has to be taken on priority basis so that our economy may be able to achieve growth with social justice at a rate commensurate with the aspirations of the people. This program lays a special emphasis on the economic uplift as well as the welfare of weaker sections, especially those belonging to scheduled castes. It shall be my endeavor to see that the administration gears itself fully to the challenging task of implementing the economic program. As of us are aware that agriculture accounts for 40% of the income of Tamil Nadu, and thus the economic development of our state is linked up with the development of agriculture. Therefore, the minimum need is to concentrate on increasing agricultural production by paying special attention to water management techniques, full exploitation of groundwater, and improved agricultural practices. Main stress would be on increasing productivity of irrigated and also unirrigated lands. Though northeast monsoon was generally normal in October to December 1975, certain areas of our state have unfortunately received inadequate rainfall. As a result of the inadequate rainfall in all these districts, these areas had to face acute drinking water problem. The government have already initiated relief measures, and it shall be our endeavor to provide all possible help to the people in the affected areas. Land reforms is a subject which is of vital concern to the poor people in rural areas. The government will ensure that land reforms are given effect to in the shortest possible time. The city of Madras is expanding at a fast rate, and the problem of providing adequate drinking water to the people here has always been engaging the attention of the government. The drinking water crisis which Madras city faced due to the failure of the northeast monsoon in October to December 1974 is still fresh in our memory. The willingness of the neighboring states to spare adequate quantity of water from the rivers flowing through these states to meet the drinking water requirements of the city may solve the problem of drinking water scarcity on a permanent basis. I may on this occasion assure you all that the government will act with a sense of urgency in this regard. As we all know, the full impact of the progress we have achieved in different sectors in our country since independence is not being felt by us because of the tremendous increase in population. The future of our country is closely linked up with the success of family planning program. The people of Tamil Nadu are known for their capacity to analyze problems without allowing emotion to get the better of reason. Therefore, I feel that in Tamil Nadu it should be possible for us to achieve the desired results on the family planning front with the cooperation of the voluntary organizations and the people. the government will intensify its efforts in the field of family planning in the months ahead. I am aware that the people of Tamil Nadu have got great love for their mother tongue, which is known for its ancient and glorious literature and for its capacity to adapt itself to the demands of modern technological age. The government will continue to encourage use of Tamil for all purposes and will also take keen interest in the development of Tamil language. On this occasion, I would like to say that mere declaration of policies or providing funds for different schemes is not sufficient, but effective implementation of the policies at grassroots level and proper utilization of funds are of most importance. Therefore, we would periodically check up the implementation part of different programs and schemes at the lower levels, and wherever loopholes are found, we will try to set things right. To those who are in charge of the administration, I would like to say that I always prefer decision to indecision. In the process of taking a quick decision, even if some mistakes are made, it does not matter as long as they are bona fide mistakes. Tamil Nadu has always occupied an eminent position in our national affairs. It is essential that through hard work and discipline, the people of Tamil Nadu will contribute to the development of the state. If the states make progress with the support and cooperation of its people, there can be no doubt that the country as a whole will progress automatically. Thank you. Jai Hind.